welcome to my things to do. If this is your first time stopping by, hi. Stick around for a while by hitting that subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that bell notification too, so YouTube will let you know every time I upload a video. Well, today's video I am making a Dollar Tree DIY rope basket. I've been wanting a basket for the end of my couch to hold, the couch throws and couch blanket and such, things that I don't need to use during the summertime, but I still use because I like taking naps and we keep the house pretty cool. In this DIY, I used all the items from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoy my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started.
The first thing I did was to take my Rust-Oleum paint in the color of nutmeg to paint the inside of the basket, because that's going to be the part that's seen once I take my blanket out. And I happen to have this paint left over from another Dollar Tree DIY project I did, and that was my nautical bathroom. Once I had the inside of my basket painted, and as you see around the rim, I let that sit out for just a little bit to go ahead and dry. Thankfully, it's really hot outside, so it dried quickly. What I used for this project were 7 nautical rope bundles and my basket. As you'll see later on, I did have to buy 2 more bundles of the nautical rope. I also used my jute twine that I purchased from Dollar Tree. That comes in a pack of 3. I started at the very bottom of my basket by gluing the rope all the way around. I thought that would only take about 2 rounds of gluing. As it turned out, it took about 3 instead. Once I got the 3 rows glued on, it was a lot easier to just start wrapping that rope all the way around the basket, and every now and then gluing a little, a few drops in just to anchor it down. And I always would start the next row on a new prong of the basket and just kept going around the basket, every now and then adding some glue until I got to the top. At this point, I realized I don't have enough rope to finish my basket. So went back to the Dollar Tree and I bought 2 more bundles of the rope. But then what to do at the top of my basket? I didn't want to leave it like it was. So I thought, hey, I've got some jute twine at home that comes in a package of 3 for $1, of course. And I decided I'll use that. If I had to go back and get more, I would. But guess what? It turns out 3 of those jute twine bundles was exactly what I needed to cover the entire top of my basket. Now, covering the top of the basket with this jute twine really turned out to look better than I expected it to, but it did take quite a while to do. I was able to cover the body of my basket in like no time, it felt. Doing the top of this basket, I decided I'm probably never going to do that again. It took me almost 3 hours to get this done. I didn't want to bore you with all of it, so I did skip to me being near the end. I did use almost all 3 of my bundles of the jute twine. I used 2 and I would say about 3/4 of the 3rd bundle that came in that pack. But overall, I still saved so much money. Once I was finished with the very top, I could finish off the rest of the basket using the 2 bundles of the rope that I did buy from Dollar Tree. This, of course, again, was really quick because I didn't have to glue every single moment, and just glued once or twice around and just kept on going with the rope. And it did take exactly 2 more of those bundles of the nautical rope to finish this basket off. I just love how this basket turned out. It came out better than I expected, actually. And I was going to add some black paint to it to match the living room furniture some more, but Tiffany liked it just the way it is, so we left it. Now, I did price some rope baskets at Walmart and at the home goods store as well. The least expensive basket that I seen was $22, and I thought, oh my God, I can make my own for a lot less. Including the extra 2 bundles of rope that I had to buy, my entire project cost me $11. Today, my thing to do was to make a rope basket for my living room. Make it your thing to do too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!